Namaste everyone. Today we are going to see how to download and install JDK and also set the path for Windows platform. So without any delay, let's start the video. Let me share my screen. Um, Share screen. This screen. Share. Okay. So let me bring this here. Okay. So in order to download JDK, let's go to the URL first. Let me open the browser. And we just have to go to google.com. Okay, and in Google we have to search for download JDK, and here it will take you to the download section. So this is the official website, since JDK belongs to Oracle now. So this is the official site, but you can either go to this link or this link. Let's go to the main link. And we can see here, as of the time of recording this video, we have Java 19 and 17 both are available. So we are going to see how to download Java 19 or JDK 19 and set the path. So in order to do that, there is Linux, Mac, and Windows. So in my case, it is Windows. If you are on Linux and Mac, you can use any of these two sections. Let's go to Windows. And in Windows, there are three options. So this is a zip file. All you need to do is download and unzip it. Whereas for this video, we are going to go with the installer. Okay, so let's click on this link to download the installer. Let's keep it on downloads folder, click on save, and we will wait for this to download. And in the meantime, we can click on it so that it starts as soon as it gets over. Okay, so we are on this installer wizard. So let's click on next. And this is the default folder. You might want to change it if you want to, but I usually keep it default. So which is C drive, program files, Java, JDK 19. Let's say next. It might ask you for the permission. You can say yes. And then it says successfully installed. And then we can close. Next step, it will ask you for certain documentation and stuff. We're not going to look into that as of now. So let's close this video. So the installation is done. We can close the browser as well. Now let's go to my computer or this PC, since it is Windows 11. Right click on the PC and go to properties. And when you click on properties, you might see something like this. Then you have to click on advanced system settings. It will open this window. And in this window, we have to go to environment variables. And as you can see, there are two sections. One is user variable for my logged in user, which is my name. And there is a system variable, which is applicable for all the users which are going to log in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to set the path in the system variables. So in order to do that, we have to create a variable. So we can click on new variable and give the name and the value for the variable. Since I already have it, I'm going to modify what I have it. So double click on this if you have the variable. So what name we are going to give is, the name is fixed. It's all caps Java underscore home. And the variable value would be the path of the JDK. So this, as you can see, it is 18th and we have just installed 19th version. So we might want to capture the folder path of 19. So let's hit on my computer, go to that folder, now JDK 19. And we are going to copy this path and then minimize it, paste it here, and say okay. So now my Java path or Java home path is updated. Okay, and similarly, there is one more variable called as path. So here, if you are able to see this, there is a Java underscore home in percentage. Okay, and after that there is a bin. So why this path is because under this folder you will find a bin folder, and this bin folder basically contains all the libraries or exes that we require. So these are those exes. So hence we are setting the path to java underscore home, which is a variable, and then the bin folder. Okay, after doing this, so if you don't have it, then you can click on new and type percent java underscore home and then backslash bin. But since we already have it, we are going to delete this, but it is exactly same as this one. Okay, sorry, one change. This percent would not be here, it would be here. So this percent means this is a variable and backslash bin. So java home is what we earlier set as the main folder path, and under that we are going to go with bin. So let me delete this because it's a duplicate of this. So I'm going to delete this, say okay, okay, and okay. So in order to verify whether the path is set correctly or not, we are going to go to the terminal, and inside the terminal we are going to say java hyphen version. So this will tell you the installed version in your machine. So since it says Java 19, that means the path is set correctly. If it is not, then it might not be able to understand what Java is, because Java is a exe which is in the bin folder of the path that we have set. And if it is not able to recognize, meaning it's not at all set correctly. So I think, yeah, this is it for the video. We just wanted to see how to set the path for Java. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Thanks.